Now make it like black is the prettiest thing you've seen in your life, like, in the world. That's almost there, but something's missing. Something's not good. Lights!
Plug it in and turn it on, and then you can change the brightness from 0 to 100. This one's Ruby. This is Starlight. And that's Tom, and that's Sammy. Ruby, she's a real go-getter. She likes to change her colors, and Reggie Biv. You can also change the brightness for tones in your videos or photography. These puppies can change the brightness of the room. And this one, it uses reflection, so you can cover more area in your space. They're really good.
Oh my God, Lightman! Absolutely beautiful.
I know, right?
Lightman, you're the best.